Safely storing your thawed turkey.
Hello everyone. Today we are answering a crucial question when it comes to preparing for your big feast. How long can I keep a thawed turkey in the fridge before cooking it? Correct handling of your turkey is vital to ensure both its taste and safety.
What's the rule for refrigeration?
According to the USDA Food Safety and Inspection Service, once a frozen turkey is thawed, it should be cooked within 1 to 2 days. This means that if you've thawed your turkey in the refrigerator, which is the safest thawing method, you should cook it within 2 days at the maximum.
Why this time frame?
The reason for this time frame is simple: food safety. After the turkey thaws, bacteria that may have been present before freezing can start to multiply again. Cooking the turkey within 1 to 2 days ensures that these bacteria don't have a chance to grow to levels that could cause illness.
What if I can't cook it within that time?
If for some reason you can't cook the turkey within 2 days, it's best to put it back in the freezer. A thawed turkey can be safely refrozen without cooking it first. However, there might be a loss of quality due to moisture loss through defrosting. Preparing for a big meal can be challenging, but ensuring the safety of your food should always be a priority. Remember, once your turkey is thawed, you should cook it within 1 to 2 days to maintain its safety and quality. Happy cooking, everyone, and enjoy your delicious and safely prepared meal.